I have been using Hyprland for almost a year now, and when I first started I used waybar like basically everyone else does. But around a week ago I started switching to Quickshell after seeing a bunch of really cool rise on r/Unix porn. I haven't fully gone all out with Quickshell yet though. Right now I only built a bar, the one you see right here. I built it using Quickshell, and honestly compared to waybar it was way hard. Even though I have been coding for around 2.5 years now, I know Python, JavaScript, TypeScript and C++, Quickshell still felt difficult at first. Let me show you the code. All of this code you see right here is just to build this bar, and compared to waybar it is a lot more work, and you have to define things like processes, layout and everything. You can use cell command to get the data, and then you can parse it and then display it like that, like I'm doing it right here. So it is complicated, but you can learn it definitely. Now some of you wondering, if I know TypeScript and JavaScript, why not just use AGS? Because I'm just sick of node modules. I don't want to work with JavaScript and TypeScript anymore because it just sucks. I don't want to write code in those languages anymore. I just remember my React Native days with those languages. I don't want to deal with node modules anymore. And Qt and QML system that Quickshell uses honestly feel way more cleaner to me. After building this bar, I start feeling way more confident. I watched some video, read the docs, and yeah, you have to read the docs if you want to build a cool rise that you can post on r/Unix porn and Linux porn. Now I'm planning to build more stuff with it, like notification, music player, system monitor, drop down menus, basically all those cool stuff that you see on Quickshell rises and most of the Quickshell setups. But I'm building everything one step at a time instead of trying to do everything at once, because otherwise it will feel overwhelming really fast. I also realized something. I don't want to copy other people's configs, because when you want to make changes to them, it gets hard, because you don't know what piece of code does what and where to make changes, where to exactly go to find that exact error you are getting, and I just don't like copy pasting. So that's why I decided to build myself. And when you build things by yourself, you understand what exactly a piece of code does, why decisions were made, where things break, and how actually fix them. So if you want to try Quickshell, don't go all out immediately. Like, I still use things like waybar. I doesn't delete its config and waybar because I use it sometimes, like want to see that what things I need to add to my Quickshell configuration, and I use Rofi, SWNNC and many more things that can be replaced by Quickshell, but I didn't replace them yet because I'm learning and I'm building one thing at a time, not trying to build everything at once. I still don't fully understand Qt and QML either, but being a developer definitely helps because I can understand code even if I don't fully know the language yet. But honestly, even if you never write code before, I think you can still run QML. If you're already comfortable using Hyprland, there are tons of resources like YouTube video, documentation, config example. You can use them, and when you don't understand a thing, you can just ask AI, because we are living in an AI era right now. So why not just use it for good things instead of generating slop? But if you are completely new to Hyprland, I did say don't switch to Quickshell immediately, because you should spend some time configuring Hyprland using different tools and decide whether you want to switch to Quickshell or not. So yeah, that's basically my experience switching to Quickshell, and I will keep continuing it and making some more changes to it, building more stuff with Quickshell. And if you want to check out my configuration, I leave a link in the description of my GitHub repo. You can definitely check that out, and that's it.